Whenever I am planning a trip to Italy, there are two things I always look forward to: the architecture and the food. So, since I have already shown you some of the beautiful architecture and buildings on this channel before, I was thinking, why not to take you to my favorite places to eat, to have a delicious ice cream, or to drink a cup of true coffee. So, without further ado, let's begin. I assembled a list of my favorite places and divided it into 3 categories. I've got 3 restaurants for you, 2 cafes, 1 Italian fast food chain, and let's not forget this, 1 ice cream place. Trattoria A La Fontaine. We found this place by sheer coincidence. In Venice, there are so many options to choose from, if we are talking about restaurants. One day, as we were taking a stroll around the city, we'd got hungry and this place happened to be just in front of us. I am so thankful we bumped into it. Their pizza, well, among other things of course, but the pizza, gosh, that was an experience. You can eat outside or inside, the indoor option having a great advantage of being air-conditioned. This was actually the restaurant I had spoken about in one of my videos. If you haven't watched it, I will leave a link below. It's the place where we were able to spend the entirety of some afternoons, due to the hot weather. Anyway, it doesn't matter if you choose some pasta, a salad, those particularly were amazing, or the previously mentioned pizza. You can't go wrong. Café Maillard, the first of my go-to coffee places. Oh my, if these weren't the most amazingly tasting croissants I have ever tried in my life. Well, wait till the end. There might be an unexpected twist. It's located on Via Garibaldi. And whenever we wanted to grab ourselves a perfectly tasting coffee and some pastry for breakfast, this was our go-to place. Besides, they offer a range of absolutely delicious ice cream. Osteria da Valentino. The first place we tried, and it immediately became our favorite one. We came back many times. This place is also located on Via Garibaldi, which is something like a main street in the Castello neighborhood. They offer a variety of pizzas, salads, fish dishes, and pasta. Everything we tasted so far was amazing. Café Gopion. Getting to my second cafe of choice. Okay, remember when I told you about Café Maillard and their croissants? That I had initially thought those were the best the world offered? Or at least what Venice offered. That was before I discovered Café Gopion. There is actually an interesting story tied to this place. Our friends came to visit us in Venice, and one of them kept talking about a cafe she visited during her last time here in the city. And for literally 2 days, she'd kept searching for it. Before she admitted she could no longer remember where it was. And then, as it usually happens, the moment you stop looking, you find just the thing you searched for. Our friend stumbled upon this place and knew it in that very second that this was it. Wow. Their pastries were like from another world. In a positive way, of course. The taste, the structure. If you have a sweet spot for baked things, pastries and more, well, this will be your place. I am more than sure. And I haven't yet mentioned their coffee. This business was established by two brothers, and it is a local matter. It's so great. I highly recommend them. Il Pinguino Gelato. To be honest with you, when someone says Italy, one of my first thoughts leads to ice cream. It was to my great surprise, and maybe a bit of a disappointment, there weren't that many gelaterias in Venice. I expected there to be many more. Well, even despite our initial struggles, we managed to find one. Totally amazing place. With loads and loads of flavors, ranging from the classic to some exotic and extravagant ones. Farini. Remember I'd promised you one Italian fast food chain? Here we go. Let me introduce you to Farini. They offer these puffy, delicious pizzas and focaccias. If you happen to be in a hurry and need to grab a quick meal, I do recommend them. Trattoria de Memo. Of all the businesses mentioned above, we found this trattoria last and fell in love. Do not even dare to overlook them. Just because there isn't pizza on their menu does not mean they cannot make up for it with their other dishes. Trust me, they absolutely and completely do. Whether you choose their pasta or some fish dish, gods, you will not be disappointed. If you do have a sweet tooth, try their homemade tiramisu. It's heavenly. Plus, the people working there are so friendly. They came to our table to have a little chat and offered the entire family some limoncello as a sort of a goodbye. So, no, wait! I forgot one place. Trattoria daitasi. It's located on a street parallel with Via Garibaldi, and they boast one of the best pizzas in Venice. Though you might want to make a reservation beforehand, they usually are fully booked for the night. Well, there is a reason for that. Don't trust me? Go and give their pizza a try. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and held it out this long, thank you so very much. Give this video a like, leave a comment down below, and let me wish you an amazing day or night. I will see you again soon.